The 26th season is underway for the Fijian Drua and Moana Pasifika, and it's the business inside their own 22. Can he find the target? Yes, he can. So he hit the drive coming from the men in white. Now breaking away. Zanarevi. Oh, so close. There it is. It's the first try to Moana Pasifika in 2026. Oh, so close to the line. Too big and too strong on that occasion. Tupou, Taeiiloa. Over again. Condon napping over on the left side. It's another try to Moana Pasifika through another one of their left. In his tracks, but only a metre out.
Hands up, get back, get back, get back!
Apollo is going to have a pick and go. An advantage being played now for Moana Pasifika.
I've got that as a knock on.
Knocked on.
6!
Sabatini. Scored an intercept try against the Drua in 2025.
The old legs, carry all the way.
Damadini puts it straight into...
Halftime. Moana Pasifika 28-12 Drua.
We'll catch up with them with Satish shortly as the second half is underway in Lautoka. That's the 22.
Who's it?
Lineout. It's in the Rugby. And a good line-out win. Good hit up over halfway. 8 tries in 2025, a hat-trick against the Hurricanes, and the inspirational captain, Miracle Failagi, scores early in the second half. Good defence from Zanarevi to read the inside ball. Now it's Salawa. A little shimmy there. And a good carry in the end. Big tackle, but a quick recycle. Canakaivata takes a direct route. Pass up over the top, inside ball. John Sessi reaches out and scores. Fijian Drua, they stay in the race. Need to be the next team to score and find out now. Lamani getting it to the Irish right, and they're still going for it. Here's Mayor the big man. Welcome back to Fiji. Welcome home, Timo. The 31 Test veteran has scored. You can hear the referee say to the Drua, don't compete. Josesi, the bobble, he's left to behind. It's been a story all day. Poor handling from the Drua. And now, Moana Pasifika can see. He has sealed the deal, the 25-year-old, to Alamailo from Manawatu in the NPC. As the Hooter sounds, and so Moana Pasifika will put it into the stands at Churchill Park. And they have won week 1.
Full time. Moana Pasifika 40-19 Fijian Drua.
behalf of the Drua boys, and the fans that came out today. We want to say a big Canakaivata before the challenge. Thank you for coming and enjoying this weather. Not good, eh? Very hot. But challenge today was Rugby one today. Yeah? Congratulations to you boys and in the season.
Vinaka boys from the Drua. It was a battle for us today, coming out to this heat, but credit to the boys. Thanks to you guys for giving the Fijian fair to us. You know, it's special for this circle, like Battle of the Pacific, Battle of the Tupou. But it's coming here today. I want to wish you guys all the best for the rest of the season. And for us boys, we travel tomorrow. Just take a positive and off to the games next week. But yeah,